To send money from Sendwave to GCash, you need to have a Sendwave account and a GCash account. First, create a Sendwave account if you do not already have one, and fund it using your preferred payment method. Next, go to the Sendwave website or mobile app and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the Send Money option and select the Philippines as the recipient country. Choose GCash as the delivery method and enter the recipient's GCash mobile number. The recipient must have a GCash account to receive the money. Enter the amount you want to send and review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and any fees. Sendwave typically does not charge fees for transactions, but there may be a small fee depending on the payment method used. After reviewing the transaction details, confirm and send the money. The recipient will receive the money in their GCash account, usually within minutes. To receive the money, the recipient must have a verified GCash account and sufficient storage in their account. It is essential to ensure that the recipient's GCash mobile number is correct to avoid any errors or delays in the transaction. Additionally, be aware of the daily and monthly transaction limits set by Sendwave and GCash. To avoid any issues, make sure to use the most up-to-date version of the Sendwave app and have a stable internet connection. If you encounter any problems during the transaction process, you can contact Sendwave customer support for assistance. Overall, sending money from Sendwave to GCash is a fast and convenient way to transfer funds, with transactions typically being completed within minutes. By following these steps and being aware of the key concepts and best practices, you can easily and securely send money to your loved ones in the Philippines using Sendwave and GCash.